Alright guys, welcome back to the Frugal Homestead. So today we have gotten our first light dusting of snow for the year. It was preceded by a 1/4 inch of ice, and then last night we got a 100-year freeze, which in other words we hadn't have a temperature drop that low in 100 years or so. I believe it went down to about 11 degrees last night, with wind chills getting it down to about 8. So as I understand it, 1911 was the last time we had temperatures like this here in Ohio, in this part of Ohio. So that said, it presents its own new set of challenges. I have to get my regular daily chores done, but also do a few different things. So I figured I'd just bring you guys along. So here we go. So we got to go up and sweep the snow off the solar panels. That way they can start producing, or at least start thawing out. So ever since we cleaned out our dock of wood burner, we've had to keep it turned all the way down because it just gets too hot. My understanding is that the dock company has actually closed down. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm guessing it's related to those new EPA regulations that they're putting out. It's really putting a hammer on a lot of these companies that are trying to stay in business. But I'm standing outside my wood burner building. I can hear my grid tie already kicked on. That's connected to the 2 panels we just cleaned off. So while I may not have gotten everything off of them, it's definitely making a difference. So basically it's producing power to offset the power that the wood burner blower is using. It's nice to keep those panels clean, keeps your electric bill down. But let's go in here and take a look at what our conditions are inside our wood burner building, see if we need to bring in some wood. Well, it's pretty clear. Need to bring some wood in. But as I told you, it was wind chill at 8 degrees tonight. We've got it turned all the way down. Completely closed off, dampered, because it gets too hot inside. Let's get these racks filled and the barrel. pretty important that we keep this cleaned up. We end up having a lot of spark up and flame up when we open the door on our wood burner because how well it's vented, and you don't want all this stuff on the floor catching on fire. Plus it just looks nicer. Oh, it's nice. Even on these really cold days, that nice dry wood burning in there, producing bunches of heat. It's really a good investment I made this spring, summer, and fall, cutting all this wood. Now it doesn't matter how cold it gets this year, we're gonna be warm. Alright, so I brought some wood in. I'm gonna let this stuff dry out before I bring in any more. You can see this is a lot of smaller stuff. That's because all of our small cut pieces we put over on the side of the wood burner. We burn that up first throughout the year. Just like miscut pieces, short ones, whatever. That should keep us going here for a day or two easy. Pretty happy with how everything's burning, and it's still 13 or 14 degrees outside, so house is staying nice and warm. I got no complaints. But the other thing we usually do, which looks like today I won't have to do it, I usually take our rubber mallet and hit the antenna tower, and that knocks all the ice and snow off the antennas up there and brings it down so that they don't get too much weight on them and bend the antennas, and it also just provides our signal a better signal. They don't get iced over all the way. It doesn't take much. A few smacks on the actual tower with a rubber mallet just sends enough vibration to knock anything off. So temperatures have dropped, winter's here, and I feel like we didn't get all the projects done, and we'll have a chance of some Indian summer throughout, I'm sure, to fix some, but we got the important stuff done. We're all warm and happy and safe. That's all you can ask for. So we appreciate you coming along with us on the Frugal Homestead. I got some laundry to hang up in the wood burner building and dinner to make. And I think I might even take the dogs on a walk, let them get out of the house a little bit. So we'll see you guys in the next one.